Hey there, welcome back to another episode of OTA Update. Today we're looking at the IKEA LIDKULLEN for my standing desk setup. And that's probably not how it's pronounced, but it's a sit and stand support chair to help you sit actively. Let's crack this open and see what we got. I know it's a 4-step build, but for those who are visual learners like me, I hope you enjoy it. And I'll show you a tip to make it look cleaner a little later in the video. So this next thing looks like a steering wheel of a boat, but it's actually the footrest, a single solid piece of metal. It feels nice. And here is the leg of the chair, also made out of one single piece of metal. The entire chair just needs 4 screws, and it comes with an Allen key to put those screws together. Here is everything you get in the box. Let's get a piece of cardboard just to cover the floor, and let's start putting together the base. So we'll need that steering wheel and also the base of the chair. So let's grab those 4 screws and put them into the legs of the base. And just line them nicely with the steering wheel. And now we grab our Allen key and tighten all 4 screws. And the base is done. Let's flip it over and we'll put in the gas cylinder. Remember to take off the black cap on the cylinder. Just take it off and throw it out. And it just goes right in the center. And finally we can grab our seat and just place it on top. And since there's no actual screws that hold the chair to the cylinder to the base, I recommend just trying and sitting on it and everything should just click together. A great thing about this chair is you can remove the fabric cover, so you can take it off and throw in the wash in case you get it dirty. You'll probably notice that there's 3 nasty giant labels and trying to hide them. So I tried to hide them under the seat covers, but they're very stiff labels, so you hear the crunch every time you sit. So that's no good. So let's try cutting them off. Now we're going to try to cut this as close as possible to that fabric. It's still a little too big. Let's cut down a little bit more. It kind of works, but the labels are very sharp, so it's still no good. So the trick is the tag is actually attached by a thread, so you cut it by the thread, and that should achieve the clean look that you're looking for. After you cut all 3 labels, this is how it looks like. Alright, and it's time to take a seat. You'll notice as I sit, the chair actually tilts about 20 degrees for while you're half sitting and standing. There is a ring under the seat, so when you pull this ring upward, the seat will go down, and vice versa, just like any other office chair. The ring works in full 360, so you can find it in any direction. The cylinder does have a good amount of power and almost threw me off here. The turn is super smooth. You can literally rotate it with your pinky. Okay, now let's move it into the room. With the standing desk slightly raised, I can sit comfortably and fully sit with my arms at 90 degrees. Paired with this IKEA Starska standing desk, it's the perfect combo. The verdict? The IKEA LIDKULLEN is a great sit and stand chair for your standing desk setup. Great height, great comfort, easy maintenance, and dare I say the best looking modern chair out there. You can pick one up at IKEA for $119 Canadian or $99 US, and it also comes in dark gray. I'll leave links in the description below. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to OTA. Thank you again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next episode of OTA Update.